Most people want to see what's going on around their property, but they honestly don't want to do the wiring and all of the hassle and everything it takes to actually put up cameras. Lightcam requires no drilling, no wires, no hassle. You just plug it in, turn it on, and it works. We designed Lightcam to be the most versatile and affordable camera for your house. Your camera is HD, it's infrared so it can see in the dark. So first of all, if you have a taller structure, if you have a shorter one, you can actually telescope it up and down. When you pick your viewing angle, it'll actually rotate side to side depending on where you'll actually want to see. Your actual lens comes out so you can aim your camera down. If you have a vertical sconce, you can actually go ahead and switch that so you can get the viewing angle you want. This telescoping lens actually can connect up with the glass of your enclosure. What that means is you're not going to have glare or any of the blinding kind of like, hey, the infrared's bouncing off the glass or the light is bouncing off the glass. I can't see anything at night. It's got motion activation, so if you have visitors, you're going to know about it. It has a two-way voice on it. You're going to be able to adjust the colors. Lightcam is designed with high-end cob LEDs, so your light should last 15 to 20 years. I mean, we've spent basically 2 years perfecting every piece we could to make sure that it would work in as many different situations as possible. Lightcam is an amazing product and it's going to benefit a ton of people. We really appreciate you guys watching this, and we hope that you'll help us by backing the campaign and by sharing it with your friends and family so that we can bring this great product to everybody.
Please welcome Goduo, the ultimate Bluetooth speaker. Classy, versatile, durable. For 9 years, the team at K&Z Technology have developed and manufactured OEM speakers for world-famous brands. Now, they're finally coming out with their own, and it does everything you've ever wanted in a pair of portable speakers. Throw on the carrying case, and you have a super durable, portable device. It's water resistant and can take a beating. But that's not the best part. Goduo can be instantly split into a stereo speaker system. The magnetic base connects the two speakers together and allows you to easily attach them to any magnetic surface, making them extremely versatile. When unlinked, each half can play as a standalone speaker. When linked, the two speakers will synchronize for a distinct stereo experience. Big bass, sweet highs. You won't lose sound fidelity with these babies. You can play them wireless or use the hidden jack for a quick hookup. Clean, sleek, modern. These are the wireless speakers you've been waiting for. Goduo, premium sound anywhere.
For several days last year, my home city of Seoul had the worst air quality in the world. Everyone stayed inside, where sometimes the air was even worse. My team was already working on portable indoor air quality monitor, but this inspired us to make one that's even better. That's how we created Pico. Pico combines numerous sensors into one tiny, really tiny, box that attaches to your smartphone. It includes a laser-based particle sensor for measuring cancer-causing PM10 and PM2.5, finders, sensors for carbon dioxide and VOCs, a hygrometer for measuring humidity. We even threw in a thermometer for good measure. We made it a smartphone-connected device, so you can measure and track everything through the app. Pico is almost ready for mass production. We fully tested our prototype with help from Hanyang Institute of Technology. We finalized design and we lined up great factory. Now we just need help from Indiegogo backers like you to help us bring Pico to the world. Oh yeah, if you're curious about our technology, we have details on everything on our Indiegogo page.
Much better. Life can be smelly. That's why you need Ventifresh, the best weapon to take out stinky odors. It works like adding ventilation to your trash can and other closed spaces. Freshen up the air. So you can actually relax when attending to this guy. It keeps the smell in this area a lot more tolerable. And it makes sure that you can smell the sweet scent of this little devil right here, rather than this. You can install Ventifresh to your trash can easily. Within seconds, just leave it alone, no maintenance. It's a high-tech ventilation system, combining UV lighting and platinum dioxide technology to break down odor molecules and yield fresh air. A light sensor starts the deodorization when the trash can is closed. Ventifresh adapts to all kinds of trash cans, and you can use any regular garbage bags. There's no consumables that keep you spending more. And with an additional portable power bank, you can use Ventifresh all around the house. Such as treating the fridge when needed, under the kitchen sink, and of course, your smelly shoe cabinets. So go get a Ventifresh. So easy to install and 100% hassle-free. And that's what I call a clean job.
We love to share our fishing stories, but the real story, the chase, the strike, and the fight is down below, in the waters. The Gofish Cam is a uniquely designed underwater camera that sits on your fishing line and lets you capture the underwater experience of fishing. Built with a rugged exterior, it can survive the harshest of conditions and comprises of a strong metal leader line so that you can catch even the biggest game fish. It gives you visibility in the deepest and darkest of waters, is powered by rechargeable batteries, gives you all the needed storage space, multiple video settings, and its own hotspot that connects with the Gofish Cam mobile app via Wi-Fi that completely enhances your experience while fishing. So next time, tell the real story of your fishing with the Gofish Cam. Get one for your tackle box today.